Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Honkai, Star Rail Fuel Vouchers. We'll cover what they are, how they replenish your Trailblaze power, and their importance for efficient material farming. Understanding these in-game items ensures you maximize your progress and character development. Get ready to learn all the essentials for optimizing your gameplay. Obtaining fuel vouchers in Honkai, Star Rail is key for sustained progress. They are frequently awarded through various in-game events, like the Starlit Homecoming event for returning players. You might also receive them as daily login bonuses or through specific redemption codes. Additionally, Herta Contract, fuel refill items can be purchased to acquire more. To use your fuel vouchers, navigate to Calyxes or Stagnant Shadows in the game. These vouchers, combined with your Trailblaze power, enable a quick farm option. For example, one fuel voucher is typically needed for every 10 Trailblaze power consumed. This process significantly speeds up the acquisition of essential character and light cone materials, boosting your team's strength. Remember that event-specific fuel vouchers often have expiration dates, so use them before they disappear. It's wise to prioritize using them on materials that are most critical for your current character builds or upcoming releases. Consider your Trailblaze level, as higher levels often yield more efficient rewards. Saving some for future character upgrades can also be a strategic move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.